Hello, in front of me I've got REALME C25s. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay and tap blue button at the bottom of the screen. Focus on loyalty, gift card and transit card. Select loyalty and select loyalty card you want to add, for example Payback Poland. Now you can scan your card or enter details manually. Now let's select gift card, which is pretty similar to loyalty card because you have to select a shop. Enter card number, PIN, balance your notes and tap save. And the last card you can add is transit. If you are able to find your transit way, select it. You'll be redirected to website where you have to finish the inside form. All of your cards will appear right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.